Hi guys, welcome to another how-to video by the Rustic Desert. This one we are going to be building a shiplap wall frame. I'll show you a picture of it before we make it so you kind of understand what I'm talking about. Please subscribe, or you can find me on Instagram. So after you have your length that you want, we are going to make 45-degree cuts to start building the frame. After you're done making the cuts, we're going to start putting the frame together. For this, we just used some wood glue and clamps. Then after we made sure everything all lined up and was even, we went ahead with the staple gun and threw a couple staples into it as well. We're going to start cutting the shiplap that goes into the middle of the frame. So now we're going to start putting our slats together. With these, they actually they had joints so you could put each piece together, and then we just went ahead, added some wood glue and some staples, and we're able to attach it that way. So next thing you're going to want to do is add runner strips to the back of your shiplap. This is going to be the back of the frame. This will help you be able to lay the shiplap into the frame and attach it actually to the frame. So next we're going to go ahead and stain our wood frame. Make sure you go with the grain, and when you're done, always make sure you wipe off all of the excess stain so it doesn't get all blotchy. Okay, and then when you're finished, make sure you take the brush and the rag and put it into a bucket of water. Stain is combustible and can start a fire, so you have to be careful with that. So we're gonna go ahead and start painting now our shiplap. For this, I just used chalk paint, so I didn't even prime it. The whole point of it is for it to look rustic, so I don't mind if it has imperfections or any of the wood is showing through. Okay, so now we're going to want to start attaching the frame now that everything's dry. You just put some wood glue on those little slats that you had attached, flip it over, and then you're gonna just staple it in. So last, you're going to do one more slat. This is going to be placed at what will be the top of your frame. This slat, we are going to attach the brackets that will hold the frame onto the wall, onto this slat. So it's a very important slat. Okay, so now we're going to start attaching the hardware to the back and then a little hook onto the front. So I got a little excited and threw the flowers in there and almost forgot one of the most important features. It's these L-shaped brackets that just decorative. We put them onto the front, and we're all done.